All right, one of the common complaints about the PF22 bottles has always been their stability. And so MTM solved that with a new bottle. Notice empty bottle doesn't tip over unless you really have to beat it up, so you set it down and it stands up, so that's good. Another solution, I don't even have any here to show you. Another solution I've come up with is a quick disconnect, and there's also a funnel coming as well. It'll be the world's most expensive 3.5-inch funnel, but we have a quick disconnect solution. And something that MTM has heard from all of us is that this top screw, the set screw for the foaming adjustment knob, is one of these sort of black. What do they call these things? Oxide. Yeah, black oxide screw or bolt. And so they now, and I should have just figured out what size this was. It was on my long list. But now we have a stainless version of this little screw that's hard to focus on.
I was trying to pick your face. I'm like, no face.
And so we offer these in the store so that you can buy them for your foam can and not have to try. I know some of you have gone out and found one, but rather than you trying to go find one, we have it available to you. These will be in the future. So from now until I let you know, you'll have to buy one, and put it in. But in the future, probably 3, 4, maybe 5 months from now, it's April 21st, 2020. In the future, they will have these installed in every foam cannon. But for now, until we let you know in the description of the product, you got to buy one of these little stainless things. And because it takes you about 3.5 seconds to do this, and I've already I'm about causing my dad to have a meltdown by having him do too many projects already. I think I'm just gonna say, buy the darn thing and put it in yourself. I love doing these kind of little projects, so I don't want to take that away from you. Let's say it that way. So now, stainless. This is the OG spec. Notice how well the OG spec Mosmatic 1/4-inch fits on here. It's darn near perfect how it's designed and set up. And so, a little modification for your foam cannon, where you can take the black oxide screw out and put a little stainless one in. I don't even know what these cost. What are they going to be, like? I don't know, 20 cents or something. Probably less than that. Yeah.
It's like so cheap. Just buy one.
Yeah, I don't know, whatever MTM charged me, and we do our normal, 40% markup or whatever, that's what it'll be. So check the store for pricing. Link will be in the description, link will be in the card, link will be at the end of the video, but something that I think is a worthwhile little cost upgrade. So if you're buying a foam cannon or you have a foam cannon already, I think you should grab one of these. I'm just making it easier for you. Yeah, you could probably find it. I don't even know. They don't even list. I'm not sure what size. It's probably a number 6 or something like that. And you need to get the right depth, the right thread pitch, the right diameter, and the right head size. And so instead of you trying to figure all that crap out, we just have it as a pretty inexpensive little solution. So anyway, thanks for watching. More solutions coming for foam cannons to try to make them and improve them, modify them, make them as good as they possibly can be. I would guess there would be a PF23 and some other versions in the future as well. But that's a neat little upgrade. Makes it look a little nicer, where you can get rid of the corrosion that tends to happen to that bolt. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more crazy. I'm sure I'll get some healthy comments on this one. Thanks for watching.